Welcome to 12017 95A Street. This stunning historical home is waiting for you to call yours. This property has 1,400 square feet above grade and about 2,000 square feet of fully developed living space, a huge double detached garage, and has been completely upgraded from top to bottom. It is stunning. It has 4 bedrooms in total, hardwood, a new kitchen. Why don't you come take a look with me, Karen Stanko with Remax, while I tour you through this stunning home. The wait is over. Welcome to 12017 95A Street. Welcome home to a property which is modern yet maintains historical charm. Located 5 minutes from downtown on a mature tree-lined street with a spacious backyard, this property really does have it all. Right across the street is a private school. Commuting to downtown is a snap. And the neighborhood is known for its artistic and creative community. With over 2,000 square feet of developed living space, this home features 4 bedrooms in total and 2 full bathrooms. When you walk into the home, you will notice all the natural light in the upgraded windows coming through. The living room is spacious and even has a gas fireplace to cozy up to on those cold winter nights. As you move on through, there is a large dining space, perfect for entertaining, making it an open concept style home, and the gourmet kitchen has been upgraded from top to bottom, including quartz countertops, stylish tile, and a eating space with more cabinets surrounded by tons of natural light. You can cook and enjoy the views of your large backyard. There's also brand new upgraded stainless steel appliances. This home has tons of upgraded features, including newer insulation. The yard is landscaped on front and back entrances. There is a large oversized garage. The 4-piece bathroom on the main floor has been upgraded. There are 2 spacious bedrooms upstairs. The primary bedroom features a large walk-in closet, again with a large window and vaulted ceilings. The second bedroom on the upper floor is again spacious and has a large closet and big windows that have been upgraded. There is a new high efficiency furnace in this home and a hot water tank and humidifier. And the basement is fully finished with 2 large bedrooms with an egress windows and a 3-piece bathroom on this floor. The house has been repainted recently, and when you move outside, you'll notice that their landscaped yard has a newer fence and is spacious for you to entertain and enjoy it. Call this yours, Karen Stanko with Remax.